Yeah, gonna be rethinking that one. I gotta vacuum it up. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to the Style and Beauty Doctor here on YouTube. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about skincare gift sets that if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, you might wanna take a look at. So keep watching. This time of year is a great time of year for skincare because a lot of the brands are coming out with their gift sets, which means that if you're looking to maybe try a brand for the first time without having to make a big full-on commitment with a bunch of full-size products, these skincare gift sets are where it's at. Now, here's the thing, right? I wouldn't necessarily give these as gifts because it could come off the wrong way. And I don't want you to get punched in your face in the most wonderful time of the year. So first up, we have the Sunday Riley Wake Up With Me Routine Kit. So it's $95. There's a $177 value. You're gonna get the Ceramic Slip Cleanser, the Pink Drink Firming Resurfacing Essence, the CEO Brightening Serum, the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. You're gonna get the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment, and you're going to get Sunday Riley's Autocorrect. So some call outs here. You've got the lactic acid, which is gonna help to exfoliate the skin. You've got the vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. It's gonna help protect the skin during the day from free radical damage, pollution, you know, all that gunk that's all up and through. And then you've got the vitamin C and turmeric oil that's going to help brighten the skin and help to fade the look of dark spots. Now, there's not enough in this kit alone to kind of create a routine because there's no sunscreen in here. But if you're looking to add some Sunday Riley products into your routine, I'd say maybe take a look at this one. So I'll leave it linked below. So next up, the Sunday Riley Go to Bed With Me Anti-Aging Kit. So much like the Wake Up With Me kit, you're gonna get the Ceramic Slip Cleanser, you're gonna get the Pink Drink Resurfacing Essence, you're gonna get the Good Genes Lactic Acid, but also you're gonna get the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, you're gonna get the Luna Sleeping Night Oil, and the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This kit is $93. It has a $193 value. So some call outs here. We've got the retinol. Now, retinol is amazing. It does so many great things for the skin, including helping with the look of pores, helping to tighten the skin, helping to smooth the skin, helping to even the skin tone. So retinol is a great thing to have in your nighttime skincare routine. And of course, the lactic acid again, which helps to exfoliate the skin. And while I don't think you can create a full routine with either of these kits, I do think that, you know, you're getting products that you can try to see what fits in your routine without having to fully commit to the full sizes at the full prices. So next up, the Ole Henriksen Happy Juice Set. So this is gonna come with some of the best-selling Ole Henriksen vitamin C products. It's a $69 price tag with a $126 value. You're gonna be getting the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream, the Banana Bright Eye Cream, the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Now again, these alone aren't going to be some magical cure for hyperpigmentation, but they're products that you might want to look into to add into your routine. I've tried all of these except for the C-Rush Brightening Cream, and I actually have the C-Rush Brightening Cream here, you know, from like PR stuff. Just haven't had a need to try it yet. But I really love the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. It's one of those cleansers where you can actually kind of remove makeup and, you know, kind of do your double cleanse in one step. Love that. I've used the Banana Bright Serum, love that as well. I've probably gone through 2 bottles of it already this year. I've moved on to other vitamin C products in my routine only because, like, I find that as someone who talks about skincare, like, sometimes I want to try other things just so I know what's out there. And then the Banana Bright Eye Cream I also really like. So it's 69 bucks, limited edition. If you want to check out more information on it, as well as the others mentioned in this video, it'll be linked in the description box. So next up, the Supergoop Matte Prime and Reapply Set. This caught my eye because we definitely need to have sunscreen sets in a video like this, and I've actually got a couple at different price points, so sit tight, we'll get through them. Now this one caught my eye because it has the mineral powder in the different colors included in this set, and I didn't realize that Supergoop had the different colors, so I'm probably gonna buy one and try it out, because I do, when I reapply my sunscreen when I'm wearing makeup, I do prefer a product like that because it's just so much easier, it's not as messy, and it's just like, I just love it. Now the thing is, I don't necessarily love the matte screen sunscreen from Supergoop, but you know, that's just me. Maybe you might like it, so you know, I included this set in the video. You can check out my review on the matte screen in my previous mineral sunscreen video, as well as some other mineral sunscreens that I've tried throughout the years. This is $68 and you're gonna get a full size of the matte screen SPF 40, as well as a full size of the Invincible setting powder. And you can, if you go on the Supergoop site, which I'll link below, you can choose which color powder that you want with your set. So gotta go with the sunscreen, you know? There's plenty of videos here on the channel about why sunscreen is super important for, especially when you have hyperpigmentation, so check those out. Next up, we have the Peter Thomas Roth Acne Clear Essentials 5-piece kit. This is $35 with a $70 value. Why I included this in this video is because a lot of times people are getting hyperpigmentation because of acne, so I wanted to, of course, include some acne products. So in this kit, you're gonna get the Acne Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer, the Max Complexion Correction Pads, the Acne Clear Invisible Dots, the Acne Clear Spot and Area Treatment, and then you're going to get the acne clearing wash. So here's the thing with skincare that can be a little frustrating. You're not gonna know if a product is going to work for you unless you actually try it, but then trying a lot of products can get really expensive and messy. So that's why I like doing some of these like trial kits or these like starter kits where you have the different products, because you go through this and you may realize that, okay, the acne wash is exactly what I need to help me with my acne, or maybe it's the pads, or maybe it's the Acne Clear Invisible Dot, or maybe you have some, like, you know, some ignorant acne that's not really responding to the salicylic acid, and then you kind of want to go in with the spot treatment because it has sulfur in it, and maybe that is something that your acne is going to respond to. I will link it below so you can shop it and get more info. Next up, the Murad Ready Radiant Retinol Kit. So this was $55 with a $98 value, but now it's on sale for $27.50. It might be something you might want to look into. We have a review of the Murad Retinol line here on the channel, and it's actually something that I've used myself before and have liked. So in this kit, you're going to get the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream, and the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. And as I mentioned before, retinol is an amazing ingredient. It does so many great things for the skin, including helping with the appearance of pores. It helps to even the skin's texture, even the skin's tone. It can also help with fighting dark spots. So retinol is one of my faves, and if you were looking for a retinol kit, perhaps Murad might have something for you. I'll leave this linked below in the description box. So next up, the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Dermatological Acne Treatment Set. So in this kit, you're going to get 3 products. You're gonna get the Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser, the Effaclar Dual Action Acne Treatment, and the Effaclar Clarifying Solution. So if you're someone that's dealing with acne, and that acne is causing your hyperpigmentation, this might be something to look into. $29.99, not bad. The actives here, salicylic acid, and then the dual treatment has a combination of benzoyl peroxide and LHA. So next up, we have the Supergoop Jet Set SPF Travel Kit. Again, we cannot have a conversation about hyperpigmentation without talking about sunscreen. It's just not gonna happen. So this set, it has a $41 value. It's $28 that you're gonna pay for it. And it includes the Unseen Sunscreen, the Defense Refresh Setting Spray, as well as the Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion. Even if you're already a fan of these sunscreens, this might still be something to look into because you're getting smaller sizes that are easy to transport, whether you're able to actually leave your city or country, or you know, if you're just doing something like a local trip. Really nice to have something that you can just throw in your purse and be able to, you know, make sure you get your sunscreen usage in. So I will leave it linked below. And then also from Supergoop, the Ready Set Play Kit. This is $45. You're gonna get the Supergoop Play Antioxidant Mist SPF 50 Spray, Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion, the Super Screen Daily Moisturizer SPF 40, and you're going to get the Play SPF 30 Lip Balm. I think this is a great kit. Again, if you're looking to kind of try some of the different sunscreen products that Supergoop offers. One thing I love about Supergoop is that they're a sunscreen brand that comes up with products for different situations in life, because one sunscreen is not going to cut it for some of the many different facets of our lives. Like for instance, the sunscreen that I'm gonna wear on a day where I'm wearing makeup and just wanna sit and be pretty is gonna be totally different from the sunscreen that I'm gonna wear if I was to go and climb a mountain, right? Totally different. So I do like that Supergoop has all these different options and that you have these kits where you can kind of play around with what they have and see if it fits in your lifestyle. Next up, we have the I Do Care Vitamin to Glow Pack. Now, I have never heard of this brand before until I started looking at this, but what caught my eye about this is that the packaging is really cute. So while most of these things that I've mentioned so far, I kind of feel like it's something that you would get for yourself and just kind of take advantage of the fact that it's the holidays and so many brands are creating these gift sets. This one actually, I think, might be something that's great to actually give as a gift because it's so colorful and it's so playful and it looks so cute. Plus it does, you know, things that most people can use in their skincare routine. So in here you're going to get, for $25, it has a $46 value. You're gonna get the Bright Side Up Brightening Vitamin C Serum. You're gonna get the Say You Do Vitamin C Gel Plus Cream. And then you're gonna get the Plush Party Vitamin C Lip Mask. So I think this is a really cute kit. Again, this is not something that on its own is gonna automatically transform your skin. These are things that you might wanna think about including in your routine for your overall holistic skincare routine for hyperpigmentation. And if you're looking for information on how to start a hyperpigmentation skincare routine, I got you. Be linked above and below. Next up, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Minis. Now, these aren't directly a hyperpigmentation kind of thing, but what I will say is that sometimes those of us with drier skin, maybe even drier skin on the body, when that skin is dry and irritated, that irritation can lead to other things that can lead to hyperpigmentation. So I do think it's really important to make sure that your skin is properly moisturized, particularly your body skin, because I know for me, if I step out that shower and I don't moisturize properly, I'm gonna be itching all day and it's not gonna be cute. So I actually really love the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream because it's really soothing. It has colloidal oatmeal in it. Very soothing. It's a thicker type of moisturizer, although they do have a lotion, but here, this is the cream. It's thicker, but it doesn't feel super, super heavy, and it's really soothing on the skin. So in this kit, you're gonna get 2 of the minis for $20. You'll get the original, and then they have some varieties, cranberry, grapefruit. If you wanted to kind of spice things up a little bit, me, myself, personally, I would go with the plain, regular one. But sometimes, you know, maybe for your hands, you might want something that's a little bit scented that smells great as well. So I'll leave a link below. So next up, the Sunday Riley Circle of Trust Moisturizer Kit. So this is 20 bucks. You're gonna get 3 Sunday Riley moisturizers, the Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, and the CEO Vitamin C Hydration Cream. Now, something like this is for someone who's like, you know what, I can probably use a new moisturizer. Say you're a Sunday Riley fan and you're like, you know what, I'm in the market for a new moisturizer. I'm not quite sure which one I want. Something like this would be really nice because then you can kind of try, you get a little bit more than you would get like if you could ask for a sample in the store, which some stores might not even be giving samples out at all right now. You get a little bit more, but you get enough where you can kind of make make a decision on, okay, maybe this moisturizer is going to be great for me. And then you get 3 different varieties so you can kind of play around like, okay, maybe this will be my daytime one, and maybe this will be my nighttime one. None of these have sunscreen in it, so if you're gonna be wearing any of them during the day, make sure you add a sunscreen on top. All right, now who's going shopping from this list? Let me know which of these kits caught your eye. Get all chitty chatty about it in the comments. Make sure you also check out my other hyperpigmentation videos. I have one where I show you the basics of starting a hyperpigmentation skincare routine. It's not just slapping in a spot treatment and you're done. It's a holistic approach, so make sure you check out that video. Also, from time to time, we have people come on the channel and talk us through how they treated their hyperpigmentation, so make sure you check that out as well. Follow me on social. The links will be in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.